My name is Clay Roberts. I'm gonna do a demonstration of an alignment on a big truck. First I'm gonna check is my scrub on my driver's side. And when I do that, I got my lasers already set up from here to here. And the X, I gotta go from the center of this one to the center of this one. And it's roughly 50 3/4. Okay, so now what I do from there, then I go from my front of my driver's side tire to my first axle on my tandem axle. And this is gonna be checking my thrust. Right here. And this is 202 3/4, roughly. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little break right now, and I'm gonna set up to check my toe on my front end. Okay, we're gonna set up to check our toe, and so what first we're gonna do the front side, check our toe, and the back side, check our toe. When we check our toe, we need an 1/8 of an inch closer in the toe closed in the front for when we drive it, so that it pulls and the natural holds a straight line as you drive it. But we're gonna check the toe and see what it is now. So we got 104 5/8 on the front. We got 104 and a half, 104 and a half in the back. So front's a little wider than the back is. So in this case, what we do, we would adjust the toe so it closes, so we'll have that 1/8 of an inch tighter in the front, so for driving down the highway. So we're gonna pause right now, and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, now this is, like I said, this was just a demonstration, and we went through everything. But if we were to go further on to it, we'll check our camber. And our camber would be of our tires if it's in or out. If we had bad kingpins and stuff like that, we'll check all those bad kingpins and see if if our camber would be out. That's our tires that goes in and out like this. Our toe is in and out like this. Our camber is the top of the tire tilted in and out, right? And our caster would be if our tires are tilted forward or back. And a full inspection, we would check all those things and make sure all those things are all right. Thank you guys for viewing my video.